the reason why I don't post crunching videos often is because first reason, YouTube deletes as soon as I post sometimes the crunch videos. It I hope you are aware, once it strikes out one video, it throws us a warning. Once the three warnings are completed, it can terminate the YouTube channel also. So if there are two strikes, it will not allow us to post videos for some time. If you remember, I didn't post for a few days, like a few months back also. uh, so then I was not able to post because that was my second strike, second warning for posting some community guidelines which doesn't obey with their community guidelines. um, and I don't want to post long videos because I can consume only 20 to 50 grams in a day, that too not at a time. I crunch on whole day 20 to 50 grams. It's because I swallow everything. This doesn't mean I am encouraging everyone to swallow or to eat it or to consume it. I'm just saying what I am doing. The reason why I cannot eat more than 50 grams, sometimes I get huge cravings and I go for even 100 grams also. Then I face constipation. Even though I drink lot of water, but the next day I feel bloated and I get constipated. So that's the reason why I have to limit my intake of clays. Every body has a different ways of accepting the foods they eat. So your body will be different, my body will be different, and it doesn't mean that if I'm eating 20 grams to 50 grams, that and even if you eat 20 to 50 grams, you can get constipated. So some people can eat only at its and bits, some people can eat up to a kg. So that doesn't mean that everybody will have the same acceptance for the foods or the clays in this case. Some people ask me, it's habit. So I'll say, have you checked your hb level? Because if our hb level is more than 12, then we never crave for the earth. um, Even if you reduce it, your hb reduces by 1 point also, then you will get the cravings. It can be anything. You will crave for raw rice. Even raw rice is because of the hb levels are decreased. Then other thing is like, also I cannot have hard glaze. That's the reason why I moved to cookies. And the slate pencil which I showed you is soaked overnight. I suggest you to take lot of liquids, high protein diet, and dry fruits, which helps us increasing the hp level. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I'll try to answer your questions in the comment, or I'll make a video with all the questions you asked. Just comment below with any of doubts you are having. Finally, what I want to say is I am not a doctor. The things which I explained you, everything is from my personal experience. When my hb is like 4.5, I consulted a doctor and he suggested me to change my diet. I started using iron tablets. I included dry fruits in my diet, which are natural resources of iron. Also, I started taking more green leafy vegetables. When my hb is 4.5, I used to have a lot of cravings. I used to eat more than 100 grams, and but I suffered with constipation. That's the reason why I finally went and take suggestion from him. And and see what he says. Thank you.